Hey, what's up 604? This is JC. Welcome back to my channel. I apologize that I haven't been producing a lot of videos lately due to having a busy summer. Anyway, last week I bought myself a new toy. I ordered Insta360 Ace Pro 2 action camera from London Drugs. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated with London Drugs or Insta360. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 feature in this video was purchased independently using my own money. So now let's unbox the package, and here it is. It's an Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I ordered this online from London Drugs, and let's see what else is in the bag. So here is a thank you card from the person who picked and packed my order. It's London Drugs, proudly Canadian. Yep, it's a nice gesture from London Drugs to include a thank you card as well. So here's the box. I purchased the dual battery package, so it should come with 2 batteries. So now let's unbox the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Sorry. Okay, I have to find something to open the package. Here is, I'll use a paper clip. Here we go. And unwrapping the shrink wrap. I like the texture of the box. There's some sort of texture. I don't know how to describe the box. It's just not a smooth box, but there's some sort of texture on the box. And okay, I'm having a hard time opening the box. There's like it's like a vacuum. It's stuck. It seems like this is a suction. I guess the box, the upper part and the lower part of the box is so tightly, like there's no play within the box. The covers, the top and the bottom covers, so there's no play, almost like no play. So I'm having a hard time opening the box. Okay, I might look stupid opening. I can't even open a box. Okay, this is silly. This is my first time. I've never had this experience before. There you go. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with the Leica lens. So the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a 8K AI power action camera with a Leica lens. So these are instructions. This is the mount, and here's the camera itself. This camera is a bit heavier than my old GoPro camera, so it seems like it's well built. Even though it's plastic, but it's heavier, and I like the touch of the camera, and it might be a bit heavy for action camera, but then it feels good, like the weight itself. Yeah, this video is just an unboxing video. I'm not doing any review or even have my opinion about the camera. You can read that online, or even go to some other YouTube channels that they do review on the camera. I'm just unboxing. Um, so yeah, so there's one battery in the box, and the others and this is the cover for the mic. I'm just looking for trying to find the other battery. It's a flip out screen. Yeah, it's a beautiful camera. Ah, here it is. Here's the battery. So the second battery is in the camera already. So there's one in the box and there's one in the camera. So there are two batteries because I bought the bundle with the dual battery. So yeah, and this is the magnetic mount. It's a quick snap mount. Yeah, there's not much accessories included with this dual battery bundle package, except two batteries, a mount, a microphone cover, and also a plastic, not a plastic, but a rubber gasket that goes around the lens, and some instructions manual. So hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. Give me a like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.